In short ways, while we are talking about the different aspects of life, on daily basis we are resolving the problems. Although we are not realizing it that we are resolving the problems and we are solution the puzzles and a lot of things. But unknowingly we are resolving every issues which we are facing. Even you can see close look on your footstep. You are taking footstep with very witty way. So, in short words, we are always and daily basis resolving the problems in order to live our life and survive in all the environment. We are on daily basis learning, and that learning is automatically implemented in our life, and we are doing all that thing automatically in order to resolve our problem. So what make our mind to put on automatic mode? It takes time while we are working on something or we are facing things which regularly. So mind will adopt the things and put them on automatically basis.